Hello guys, today we will go back to the very basic concept of debit and credit. In accounting, debit and credit are essential concepts used to record transactions and maintain financial records. Here are the basic rules and about the assets, expense, liabilities, equity and revenue. If it's increase, it will be debited. If it decrease, it will be credit. So same for the expense. If it increase, it will be on the debit side, and if it decrease, it will be on the credit side. But for liabilities, equities and revenue, I just mentioned in the sequence just to make it very clear and easy for you. So if you have any questions, please do send me message, and please share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.